Welcome to another edition of Project Destination Destiny. I'd like to show you the folding roof terrace that we have, constructed mostly out of 50 by 50 millimeter aluminium square tubing. And what I've done is that I've bolted this onto the unistrut rails that I've got coming up the whole length of the van, right from the front, the aux beam to the max fan, the solar panel, 400 watt solar panel, and then finally the roof terrace along with the skylight that we can climb out from the inside. So what I've done is I've constructed a separate angled rectangle out of 50 by 50 tubing, and to that I've screwed on the plastic wood effect roof decking to create a roof deck of about 1.5 meters at least. I think it's about 1.8 in total. There are basically 3 support members going across. You can just see across the back here. Here's the middle one, here's the back one, and then one right at the end that also holds the one of the cameras and the small aux beam across the back there, just in front of or behind, depending which way you're looking, of the skylight. And then what I've done here is I've mounted a stainless steel eye that this shroud bolts to, and you can vary the angle of the tilt of the back rest here depending on which hole you want to select along the unistrut, which is mounted upside down. So that automatically gives you a variation, or if you just want to lie completely flat, which I'll show you now, depending on what you want to do with the roof terrace or roof deck, whatever you want to call it. So it works very simple, and then it rests on some 50 by 50 angle line, and that gets bolted with these bolts here, just a stainless steel barrel bolt that clips it into place to stop it vibrating while in transit or while we're driving. So simple. In this case I'm climbing up outside with a ladder, but normally you would just climb through the skylight and then hop onto the roof terrace like this. Of course, doing it inside just for demonstration purposes. A couple of pillows, job done, and you can order drinks from the bar downstairs. So that's as simple as it. And then if you want to fold it flat, just unhook it and it'll go completely flat if you really want to look straight up at the sky. So that's the entire roof space of this Sprinter utilized to the full. 52-inch beam in the front, max fan, extractor fan, 400 watt solar panel, a roof deck, and then finally a skylight. And then beams on the side, cameras on the side. All 4 cameras run at 720p with a color monitor on the front, 9-inch monitor in the front, and a replicated 9-inch monitor at the back. Hope you enjoyed that little demonstration of this roof deck, and any questions feel free to ask. And all the stainless steel fittings were supplied from Wire Rope Shop. Excellent service, next day delivery almost, and very helpful. Whatever sizes you need, whatever length you want. So if I want to drop this down, I just lean forward, unhook it from this side if I want, and then unhook it from this side, and then she's totally flat. There it is. Now I'm lying absolutely flat. My length is 175 5'10". I've still got 5 inches on my toe to the edge. And I've got a safety guardrail here at night. I have no worries about where the edge is. It won't fall off by mistake, no matter how dark it is.